have them. Whoa, yeah. The package has been delivered. Nah, didn't suspect a thing. He's not the sharpest knife in the drawer.
Hi, Frank. Have you got any cigarettes?
Hi, Astrid. Look what I got. I can see through matter.
That's great, Frank. Have you got a cigarette? Frank, can you see through my clothes with them?
I can see through your bones. Very good, very good. We can pry into the lives of every citizen in the country. We can stop all forms of rebellion before they even emerge. The population will become as tranquil as Hindu cows. And I'll be rich. The Chinese government has been a great friend to us. And now it is time for us to return the favor. As decided by the Central Committee for Employment, all citizens currently in receipt of public funds will forthwith be vaccinated and sent to the People's Republic of China to begin their new lives working for... seems a bit forward to be telling them straight where they're going. Maybe it should go something like this. Unemployed people, your dreams are about to come true. You're all going on holidays to China as slave workers. It'll certainly save us a lot of money. And it'll get rid of a lot of lazy troublemakers. Speak.
Trevor, it's Jerome.
I told you not to ring me on this number.
I just wanted to tell you how much I respect you and your work.
What do you want, Jerome? I'm busy.
You're like a father to me, Trevor. And...
Look, you little idiot. You let me down big time in that Hong Kong business and I won't forget it.
I know, Trevor, I know. Look, it won't happen again. This time I...
Fucking idiot.
The government is just a crooked business, Frank.
What do you mean?
Haven't you ever noticed that junk at the supermarket? Nobody ever buys it, but it's always there.
What? Like the organic gluten-free stuff?
Nah, you know, the crappy little plastic things that don't do anything, and as soon as you get home, you throw them away. It's just landfill. Pollution. Well, all that stuff, when the supermarket buys something that it can actually sell, like food, the corporation forces them to buy this other junk as well. It's extortion. It's how everything works now. It's a total racket and nobody cares. They're so completely paranoid, they spy on us all the time.
Oh.
Sector 5, 2300 hours. Female. Name of Astrid Bangalow. 9397. Digitally intercepted. using the word government more than 3 times.
Goddamn terrorists. Kilroy, we got a nest of them. Operation Fly Swatter.
Operation Fly Swatter. I'm on it, Commander.
Frank? 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 What the fuck?
Can any soap in the world protect the personal freshness of really active people? Well, here it comes. New White. Miracle in White with the wonderful new fragrance. It's the active soap for active people. Lifebuoy protects your personal freshness for a full 24 hours. Protect your personal freshness with Purelin, the most effective deodorant ever.
Oh yeah, I'll have one of them.
With ordinary soap, deodorant protection.
On television! I kill everyone! You grow up hard! You die hard! I am nothing! Now I have a car! I drag the press into the sunset. Never had a chance. No seeker. She never had a chance. This is a no-go zone.